Welcome to Treasures of Bako. Have we got a gem for you? A soft moment of nature frozen in ceramic. This Grasslands Road decorative plate features a chickadee perched on a branch, surrounded by a textured backdrop of blues and earthy tones. Gold-trimmed edges frame the scene like a tiny painting, turning a simple dish into an elegant accent. Display it on a shelf, hang it on a wall, or use it as a dish for keys, jewelry, or sweet treats. Gentle, warm, and quietly charming, it brings the peaceful beauty of the outdoors into any room. Discovered by Treasures of Bako. Have we got a gem for you? Be sure to click that follow button and visit our website at treasuresofbako.com.